Hello everyone, welcome to another Moments with Lorraine. In this video, I'm going to take some items that I had seen around the house that I thought could use a facelift. This is such an easy and simple DIY that anyone can do. Hopefully this video will give you some ideas on how to do a facelift DIY on some items you might have around the house that you have been looking at for a while. So please leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe. So let's get into this. When using a primer, you don't always have to use the same color as the paint you are going to use. But seeing I was going to paint this napkin holder white, I thought it would be best if I used a white primer. And seeing that the grapes on this are pretty dark, I had to put the primer on pretty thick so the color of the grapes would not come through. If you're going to paint something one of the bright primary colors, I suggest putting a white coat of primer underneath, and it will make those bright colors come through even brighter. As you can see, this silver candle holder is a two-tone silver. I bought the top part from one place and bought the bottom part from my local Goodwill. I've had this decorative water jug for a while, and I've decided to paint it white also. And like I've mentioned in my past videos, always be sure to use spray paint in a well-ventilated area, preferably outside if you can. Now it's time to give this candle holder a more even silver look. I also decided to spray paint the bottom and the top of these three candle holders. I knew there was a reason why I should not throw away those bread bags I have in my kitchen drawer. Who knew they would come in handy for this? Such a quick, easy, simple DIY facelift on some old things I had around the house. I thought I would just spruce them up a bit. Well, if you like what you have seen, please leave your comments below. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, all of you take care and stay safe.